SDG Digital Investment Framework. The layout of the catalog aligns to the SDG Digital Investment Framework and the four components that underpin it. The Sustainable Development Goals, or the SDGs, are high-level objectives to which governments align their development goals. This is the first tab on the catalog. The second tab corresponds to high-impact use cases, which are the steps necessary to achieve a business objective, contributing to one or more of the SDG targets. Workflows, on the third tab, are generic business processes such as client communication or procurement that support the delivery of a use case. Building blocks are reusable software components that enable workflows and use cases across multiple sectors. The GovStack Reference Implementation Initiative, a multi-stakeholder initiative working to support governments to leverage the SDG Digital Investment Framework, is working on technical specifications which will be represented and mapped into the catalog. For now, you can click on a building block to find more information, and you can also find beta mappings of the building blocks to products. The SDG Digital Investment Framework implies a whole-of-society approach. If a government or other development actor is working on digital interventions that address specific SDG targets and sectors, the catalog can be toggled to select for those SDGs and desired use cases and workflows, and in so doing, identify possible building blocks to drive overall efficiencies in the architecture. To stay connected with the GovStack working group communities that are creating and testing the building block specifications, you can read and join the discourse discussions that are linked within the catalog.